Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable cabin comfort maintaining on your XPeng vehicle. So it works on every XPeng. I'm on the XPeng 7 Plus Performance, and all you guys need to do is click on the car icon, the fourth icon from the left. Here we're gonna go to vehicle, which is the first section at the top. And here we need to go to vehicle mode. So you'll probably be around here. You'll see your vehicle health and etc. But what we're interested in is the vehicle mode section. Here we will have our cabin comfort maintaining. And simply if you lock your car, then it will still be somehow enabled. It will basically try and keep the same comfort in a cabin like it was when you were leaving the car. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.